everyone, this is Azoy Bicolano Gym Home Finder in Pampanga, and we have another brand new house for sale. And this one's located here in Savannah, and Savannah is very close to Koreatown, and Koreatown also is very close going to Clark International Airport. Now, let's start with your house. Sa tapat ng house nyo, meron ng landscape dito. Tas, ayan, ngayon ko lang napansin, naka-elevate na din pala yung bahay na to. This one's a modern contemporary home. Pagpasok ng pedestrian gate, we have a single carport on my left. Pero don't worry, it's high ceiling. Kasyang-kasya yung mga artista van, kahit even 4x4, kasya naman. Tapos, sa right side, ay, diba, ang lapit natin sa airport talaga. Rinig na rinig yung pag-take off ng plane. And again, pagpasok ng pedestrian gate, kanan natin itong you have a mini garden dito where you can still put mga outdoor table and chair. And at the same time, we have this sliding door over here na pwedeng dito pumasok as as entrance. Pero this is not your main door. Pero good thing, naisip ko lang na kung may mga mas malalaki kayong furnitures or appliances na ilalagay, dito nyo siya idadaan. Kasi mamaya makikita nyo sa pinaka-main door nyo, hindi kasya yung ganong huge appliances. Still help, no? Kahit slash window and door siya. Now, this one is just access going to your, and malawak siya. Kasya kahit kung may big bike ka dito. Chance. May big bike, kahit siya ba dyan. Tapos ito naman, access going to your service area na. Laundry area, and then service kitchen. Ingat-ingat na lang kayo kasi naka-bato siya. Now, ito yung pinaka-main door natin. Perfect pagbaba ng parking. Hindi kayo mauulanan, yung ganun. As in, agad pagbaba siya ng sasakyan nyo pala. You have your screen door and ito. Ano naman? Wooden. Ayan. Now, I'll see you inside. Ayan. Wait, sara ko. Welcome to your dream home. Diba? So, you have mini parang foyer dito. Na ayan. Pwedeng dito, cabinet shoes. Ay, shoe cabinet. Cabinet shoe. Ano yun, Sasa? Ayan, shoe cabinet. Tapos, this is the area where you leave your outdoor slippers and shoes. Diba? So, dito pa lang alam niyo nang may touch ng Korean yung bahay na to. Then, your main flooring for your ground floor is naka-tiles ng brown naman yung finish niya. I mean, wooden finish. Tapos ito yung sliding door kanina na pwede siyang i-access ng kahit kayo. Kung kayo na yung nakatira dito, di ba? Pwede dyan na kayo dumaan kung ayaw nyo dun sa main door. Galing. Double siya. Double purpose. Loading tayo doon. And this one, you will love how spacious yung living room as well as yung nyo, dining and kitchen. Yun ang maganda sa pagka-layout ng bahay na to. So you have a spacious living area. Ay, may mga, at this one kasama na, you have your TV na. Kumbaga, it comes semi-furnished na yung bahay. Di ba? Kung yung area kung nasan si Mr. K, pwede pa maglagay ng isang lazy boy. Or pwede nyo pang i-upgrade yung sofa chair nyo ng mas malaki. Yan. May mga little partition tayo. Going to the next area is your dining table. May 8-seater ng dining table na naka-set up as of now. Pero I can see kaya nyo pa siyang gawing 10. Diba? Yan. Tapos again, kung nasan din si Mr. K, you have your buffet table, pwede pa dyan maglagay. Umiikot kami. Kasi ganun ka-spacious yung layout ng ground floor. See, sa ground floor natin, you have 2 air-conditioned unit. Now, this side, ang ganda. Kasi kita-kita ko pa rin yung nasa living room, as well as kung sino gustong pumasok sa gate or kumakatok na bisita nyo, or kahit family members, di ba ang galing? Island countertop with breakfast stool na, tapos sa ilalim niya mga drawers and cabinet. Spacious Ayan. Soft close din. Maganda din yung ganitong theme sa loob kasi hindi na siya dumihin. Less dumihin yung ganitong style. Kung gusto niyo naman ng medyo darker na interior, pwede niyong tignan yung bahay na to. It's more of dark gray, black, ganon. You have your brand new fridge. Tapos ang daming overhead cabinets din. Hanggang sa taas. Yan. Lots of countertops. Countertop, L-shape siya. Separate yung sink dito sa pinaka-lutuan nyo. And wow, naka-backsplash. Diba? Upunas lang pag nagluto kayo at natalsikan. Oh, this one is fixed. Tapos ito yung sliding door. Ang galing. Ay, sliding window. Dami space. Then, syempre, that's your formal kitchen. Labas tayo dito sa pinaka-dirty kitchen naman. Kahit dirty kitchen nyo, ang linis. Yan. Siguro dito na yung laundry area. Tapos ito, another stock room. Pero, kahit dito yung laundry area nyo, meron naman kayong inalat na space naman for where you can hang your clothes naman na nilabhan. The perfect to sa outdoor kitchen nyo. Kung gusto nyo ng mga isda, lalo o seafood niluluto. Tapos this one, I like it na nakasarado yung mga dirty kitchen. Iwas nga kasi ng langaw yun and lamok. Ito. Andito naman ako kanina where you can hang your clothes. Ito na yun. Kasi ito open area. Yan. And for the ground floor, we have... Ay! Kanina ko pa napapansin. Sige, highlight din natin yung wall. Yung buong wall nila, textured yung style. Kahit yung ceiling. Yung parang sponge finish yung style niya. And now, we have two doors here. Two doors. This door leads to your pantry. Pwedeng pantry siya. Anything. Pwede nyo stock. Pwede ding linen. Pag sobra-sobra sa taas. Tapos, this one is your accessible powder room. You have your toilet over here. May urinal na rin. And may sink. And cute pa. And we're done dito sa ground floor. Napaka-simple niya lang, pero talagang may meaning din yung every corner ng bahay. I love it. I really love your kitchen. Ang lawak-lawak kasi niya. Ayan, pag andito, tapos nandyan si Mr. K. Ganda. Ayan. We are now exploring your second floor. And again, for those who haven't subscribed yet or bago kayo dito sa YouTube page namin, YouTube channel namin, you can follow us on all our social media page. That's Next Level Properties. Ayan, in fairness, ang luwag din ng staircase nyo. And gusto ko yun na parang open lang yung itsura ng sa other side ng paakyat habang paakyat tayo. It's really wide. Yung space. You know, right here. Well, since wala akong pinakitang bedroom sa baba natin, lahat ng bedroom located dito sa upper floor na natin or second floor. Right here, you have another pwedeng reading corner in future if you were able to avail this house. Yan, reading corner of this side. Start na tayo dito sa door na to. First bedroom natin, second floor located. This is queen size, by the way, yung size na yan. As you can see, spacious. You have your own air condition unit. And this one is a spacious cabinet for your clothes. Laki na to. Very spacious too. And a toilet and bath. Ay, ang laki ng toilet. Laki ng toilet. Toilet over here, a separate shower area. Tapos ito, para maiwasan yung overflow ng water. And right here, you have your sink. And I can see another door with this toilet and bath is a Jack and Jill. Yan. So, Jack and Jill nga yung toilet natin. Shared siya dito sa dalawang bedroom. Another queen size, huge cabinet. Ang laki niya pala sa malayong view. Yan. And then another door. Ito. Ooh, okay. At may faucet. Kung plantito o plantita kayo na sa inyo yung room na yan, toilet na dito or another laundry area pero located sa second floor, and my hallway going to your front of your property, and this balcony that leads to your primary bedroom na. And access ko yan doon mamaya, tapos labas ulit ako dyan. Let's go back here. Cute naman ito ba ng gym area, yung treadmill lang. Yan. Kakaiba. Feeling ko yung ibang viewer natin medyo nalito na sa ginawa kong access ng bahay. Ito yan. So, balik lang ako. This is your first bedroom. Tapos katabi niya yung isang bedroom. Medyo nakakalita siya pero hindi naman. Nag-gets ba? Ang gulo ko. Sige. This is our last room. Same lang lahat ng sizes ng mga bed. Yan. So, maraming pwedeng gawing upgrade kung gusto niyo pang mas i-upgrade yung bahay na to. Own air condition unit. Yan kasama. Tapos, ito naman, may own toilet and bath na to. Let me see. Let me see. Grabe, ang laki! Marami lang basahan. Very us na Filipinos. Ayan. Ang spacious ng shower area. You have your toilet over here. Ito yung sa wet area. Ito sa railing sink pa. Tapos this side is your walk-in closet. Yan, ito siya. So may walk-in closet ka dito sa house na to. Ang cute. Naman ang cute. I mean, galing lahat nabigyan ng space. Now, behind these blinds is yung pag nakalabas ako. Ano tayo? Is yung balcony which leads to your view, which is your front of your property. Ayan, this one. Now, this is where and this is where I'll give you your quick recap for this house. Alright, again, this house is brand new and located here at Savannah, Green Plains, along Koreatown Highway. The house sits at 150 square meters for the lot area, and you have 180 square meters for your floor area. This is 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. You have your single carport, and the house comes semi-furnished.